Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to find x and y intercepts of a function, and that function is a rational function. So remember that x-intercepts are the points where the graph crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercepts are the ones where the graph crosses the y-axis. We have a recipe to find x and y-intercepts. Let me just remind you what they are. For x-intercepts, you set y to 0 and solve the equation for x, okay? And for y-intercepts, you set x to 0 and solve for y. All right, let's follow this strategy. So when y equals 0, here, you have 2 minus radical x divided by 5x plus 1, and we set this to 0 because y is 0. Well, this is a rational expression on the left-hand side, so why don't we make the right-hand side look like a rational expression? So all I'm going to do is writing 0 as 0 over 1 so that I can do cross product, something from algebra. So here, this times that has to be equal to 0 times 5x plus 1. Let me just write it here. So this times that is 2 radical x. And the right-hand side is 0 times 5x plus 1. That is 0. So this implies that radical x equals 2. And to find x, you take the square of both sides. So you get x equals 4. So you got the x-intercept 4, but point-wise, so you're talking about the point 4 and 0 on the xy plane. And for y-intercept, I'm going to sub 0 for x. So 2 minus root 0, which is 0. So the top is 2. And the bottom is 5 times 0 plus 1, that's 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So the y-intercept is going to be what? X equals 0 and y equals 2. And by using a TI-84, you can graph the function here. You can use another tool if you want to. We can use a software called Mathematica in order to get that the graph meets the x-axis at 4 and 0. And the y-intercept was 0, 2, so you can just keep graphing this, and then you will see that this is not the y-axis because, as you see, this is x equals 5, 4, 3, and 2. So this is x equals 2, x equals 0 is somewhere here. All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.